Hello guys, this is Abin here and welcome again to Joyz Tech Tricks. Today we are gonna see about a feature of WhatsApp called WhatsApp Broadcast. Okay, before going to the video, I want to send some messages to some of my friends. I want to send these messages to around 30 people. But you can see here, I am able to select only 5 members from my chat. Oh no, should I select 30 people by 6 times selecting 5 people? What the heck? Don't worry, guys. Here is the WhatsApp broadcast comes in action. You can send a message to n number of people with one click. Okay, let's take a look at that. To get the WhatsApp broadcast feature, click the options button on the top right corner of your WhatsApp home menu. You can see couple of options there and select new broadcast to start a new broadcast. Then select the people you want to send your message. Here I am selecting around 30 people. Once you complete selection, click the tick button from the bottom right corner of the window. As you can see, a broadcast is opened with 30 members. You can send any format of messages to this broadcast. Now I think you are in a confusion that why I am going to a broadcast. I already have some groups with these members. Guys, keep in mind a broadcast is different from a group. I can show you that. Look at this. I want to forward a message to my broadcast. I selected that message and search for that broadcast I am created earlier. Hey, where is that broadcast? Is it vanished? Actually no guys, it's not vanished. Here is one of the difference from WhatsApp group and WhatsApp broadcast. We cannot forward a message to a broadcast, but we can copy that forward message and paste it in the broadcast and we can broadcast it like a normal message. This feature is very much useful for office staffs and college students for delivering essential informations. Another different from WhatsApp group and WhatsApp broadcast is the message or data you sent in broadcast is received as a individual message to all members in the broadcast. You can differentiate the normal message and the broadcasted message using the broadcasted icon in the messages. So you can send a single message to n number of peoples by just one click using this broadcast feature in WhatsApp. Okay, that's it for today's video guys. If you like the information, give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to Joyz Techniques and stay updated with latest technical stuffs. And stay tuned for the next video. Till then, this is Abin Joy signing off.